In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your email campaigns using Mailchimp. Personalization can greatly enhance your engagement rates, making recipients feel more connected to your content. Today, we will focus specifically on inserting a subscriber's first name into your emails using Mailchimp's merge tags. This is a fantastic way to catch your reader's attention right from the beginning. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to your specific email campaign that you'd like to personalize. If you haven't created one yet, you can start building a new campaign by following the Mailchimp prompts to design your email. After opening your campaign, you'll want to decide precisely where in your email you'd like the personalization to appear. Most commonly, this could be at the start of the email with a greeting like "hello" or "hi," followed by the recipient's first name. Click on the spot you've chosen to insert the personalization. Next, look at your toolbar for the option labeled Merge Tags. Merge tags in Mailchimp are essentially a shortcut to pull in information specific to each recipient from your mailing list. Click on this option, and you'll see several available tags that can be used to customize your email. For today's video, we're focusing on the subscriber's first name, so you'll want to select the tag labeled vertical bar fname vertical bar. This tag is specifically designed to insert the first name of each subscriber, enabling you to add that personal touch to your correspondence. After inserting vertical bar fname vertical bar into your desired location, it's crucial to preview and test how this personalization appears. Mailchimp offers a convenient preview feature, allowing you to see exactly how your email will look when your subscribers receive it. Use the Preview and Test option to check that the first names are displaying correctly as expected. Often, Mailchimp will show the actual name of a test contact, so you can confirm that everything is functioning properly. Make sure to review for any missing data or typographical errors that might disrupt the flow of the message. Once you're confident that your email is personalized correctly and it looks professional and engaging, you're ready to either send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a later date. Mailchimp allows you to choose when your emails are sent out, giving you the flexibility to target your audience at the optimal time. With everything checked and set, you can proceed to